Good morning, it's Jason.
Melissa.
We have made it out to Colorado and we are at the Wild Basin trailhead going out to Copeland Falls and also Ouzel Falls today. It's going to take about 5.5 miles. Take us a few hours. We're going to take lots of photos, lots of pictures. We're loving our time out here in Colorado.
It is a really cool 30-something degrees this morning, so we didn't quite plan appropriately for our clothes, but next one we're going to be a lot more prepared. So.
Awesome. Enjoy the hike. We're going to put together a good video for you, and we'll let you know what we think when we finish. Thanks. Whew. All right. We get a little bit of a trail in the our yeah, it would be nice if I vlog. Sorry. Very pretty hike so far. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Very pretty hike.
Hit track?
Huh?
It's a hit track is what it says.
A what?
Hit track. Oh, for your horses maybe?
Ah, gotcha. Oh, you have to come see this. Wow. Oh, beautiful. Man. Look at that. Bridge up there. You gotta go up the left part. There's that. Okay. Well, why not? Wow. Hello all. We just completed our Ouzel hike fall for Labor Day weekend. Wonderful time. Pretty strenuous for those of us who come from the flatland. We went up to, what was it, 8,500 or 9,500? 9,550 feet. We did it in a long time on the way up. We took our time, took good photos of Calypso, Cascades, and Copeland Falls.
Lots of steps, lots and lots of steps on the way up that really are trying, but just take your breaks if you're going to do this. You'll get there.
Every minute was a new postcard picture. Beautiful, just absolutely wonderful. We're going to post a video with lots of pictures, and we'll get that up when we get back to the great state of Florida. But we're going to head off into Tuesday, see Loveland Pass, and see some of the sights out there. Thanks for watching. Look forward to getting the rest of the videos posted, and hope you'll have a look.
And thank you to the people that gave us great information on the trail. We're looking forward to going and seeing those places. We look forward to hiking with you in the future.